Hello everybody, today I want to talk about the 3 ways you can move to Vegas and guarantee you have a good time. Otherwise, like South Park once said, you're going to have a bad time.
You're going to have a bad time.
About 3 ways to move to Vegas and not be miserable. This is very important. Action. Alright guys, so I'm sitting in my car today. The air is blowing through. I have good audio. And today I'm going to talk about the 3 ways that you can move to Vegas and guarantee you have a good experience in this town. Otherwise, you're going to hate it here. You're going to bail out. You're going to burn out. You're going to move out. And you're going to say, why did I even bother? By the way, my name is Steven. I'm not leaving Las Vegas. If at any point you guys like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications. Leave us a comment. Share the video. Like it. Because that way YouTube suggests this video to other people and it helps this guy tremendously. Okay, so number 1 is what I want to talk about. Don't move here for the wrong reasons. I can't stress this enough. People will move here for the wrong reasons. They'll move here because they want to party. They'll move here because they want to do the strip every day. They'll come here because they want to gamble. And they'll come here because maybe there's no last call. Well, first of all, if you come here because you want to party all the time, you're going to get burnt out really fast. I guarantee you. It costs a lot of money to party in Las Vegas. Clubs all have covers. Unless you're a VIP millionaire, even then, it's going to get old fast, depending on your lifestyle. It depends on how fast it'll get old. If you come here because you want to gamble all the time or you want to drink all the time, you might want to get with somebody and do some cognitive behavioral therapy to figure out why you have those issues, because that's a bad reason to move into a town. You know, look at what happens to people when they come into a place because they want to get more of the things that they enjoy. They fall down a rabbit hole. So don't come here for the wrong reasons. 2, make some friends and get social really quickly. Otherwise, you're going to feel very isolated in Las Vegas. This is one thing I hear more or less all the time. People say that Vegas has no community. They say that it's a city devoid of arts and culture. They say it's a place where everybody is very isolated with blinders like the Clydesdales that pull the Budweiser beer wagon. And that's not necessarily true. There are lots of different social organizations out there. Go to your local library in Las Vegas. They're not the best libraries, but they have, like all libraries, community stuff posted up. Go to meetup.com and take a look at the meetups happening. Go to the Las Vegas subreddit and see what kind of social stuff is going on. These things are free. They oftentimes don't cost money, and if they do, it's a marginal amount, $50 a year. My wife and I joined the Greater Las Vegas Orchid Society. We met a lot of really cool people, and we made some associates through business and through friendship that are still lasting to this date. All because she looked it up online and saw, hey, there's people out here for orchids. Don't be like me, network yourself. I'm learning to network now. I wish I did this 14 years ago. 3, have a very good altruistic, that's a fancy way of saying good reason to come to Vegas. Come here for a good reason. Come here because you want to have a fresh start in life. I talked to a YouTuber yesterday who's chronicling his move to Vegas as he rebuilds his life. He found his fitness, now he's going to find his credit repair, he's going to get his finances back in check, and he thinks Vegas is a good place to do it. That's cool. Have a good reason to come here. Come here because you have a good job, or come here because you want to have a fresh start. Come here because you think it's a good reason to come here. Not for the bad reasons that you could come here. Not to have fun. Because as another user or viewer of my channel once pointed out, once the Vegas goggles come off, once you get burned out of the 5 miles of the strip that is Las Vegas Boulevard, the main tourist area, once downtown wears off, what else are you going to do? You can't party every day. You can't drink and gamble yourself into oblivion. And you certainly have to have friends and people out here if you have no family. So those are 3 ways that you can make your transition into Las Vegas better. I'm curious to hear how you might have done it. So be sure to leave a comment below if you're moving here, if you're planning to move here, or if you moved to another city and you found you have tips that you can share. My name's Steven. I'm not leaving Las Vegas. I'm a Vegas YouTuber from Calgary, Canada originally. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to support this further, click on the Patreon link. If you want to email me, click on the email in the link below, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in another video. I do them all the time. Bye-bye.